The Lake Davis Trail is under construction. So far it's completed around about half of the lake. Really cool bridges and sections of the trail. Another cool section of the Lake Davis Trail. Beautiful exposed mountain pastures and mountain peaks. In some of these you'll see cows and bear poop. Bear poop, lots of it. Black bear. Haven't seen one yet, but we'll see. Here we are on Lake Davis Road, going back down to Portola. It just went down about 1,300 feet of downhill. It was epic. Beautiful scenery all around. All right, I'm riding up Willow Creek gravel road now. Really nice. It rained yesterday a little bit, so you can see a little bit of mud. Should be climbing like 2,000 feet on this road. Back up to Lake Davis. Can't wait. Lots of logging up here, which is good and bad. The loggers make the roads, which we can use on bikes, gravel bikes, mountain bikes, whatever. I just got totally dusted out by a fully loaded logging truck coming off the road. But you know, copacetic environment. It's getting really beautiful up here. We got some big sequoias, redwoods, nice gravel. But I've seen like 8 piles of bear scat. So they're out there. I saw like 8 deer. They don't care. They just sit there and wait for you to roll up, and then they slowly move. But the bears, I guess they get out of the way before I get there. I'm at a pretty little crossroads now. Trails and gravel everywhere. I'm going that way. And right over here is a neat little water runoff pond. Oh, look at that. Flowing water. It's beautiful. Wow! To quote Christopher Walken, just came out into this nice clearing. There's Lake Davis to the east of me. Beautiful view. I'm descending back down towards Lake Davis. Huge burned out area here. You can see the fire just ravaged all this last year. But some survivors. So nice big downhill right now. I wish I could film it, but I'm not that talented. That was epic. I just descended for 3 miles off of Grizzly Ridge on that really nice hard-packed gravel road coming down from way up there. Going up Bagley Pass. 200-300 feet, something like that, from Lake Davis level. I just passed north of Lake Davis. Listen to that dry chain. It was nice and clean this morning. It is dusty out here. I'm 35 miles in. All right, still having fun. Here we are at the top of Bagley Pass, 6,300. So nice gravel. A little loose and chunky. I definitely would recommend anything but a Pathfinder rear tire for this kind of stuff. You want like 42 mil, but you need some tread, at least on the rear. The front may be okay. Quick rolling, good on the pavement. As long as you've got some edge tread, you can handle the corners and stuff. There's my ride. That's a 2017 Giant TCX Pro Carbon with SRAM, Force, 111 drivetrain, 38 in the front, 1142 in the rear. I got the little salsa frame bag for my sneaky bladder and my tools. A couple extra bottles. What else? Oh, brand new set of Hunt wheels. Love these things. 35 mil deep, 25 mil inner diameter, and they are hookless. So you just got to make sure you use a tubeless ready ERTR or something tire that is compatible. But really nice. The tires are 42 mil. Normally they blow up to 43 mil on these wheels. More beautiful scenery. Look at that. Clover Valley. Nice section of gravel road here. Kind of flattish. A little bit of undulation. But just gorgeous scenery. I think I'm in gravel heaven. Look at this scenery. There's all these lakes. Actually forming little lakes right over there. Clover Valley. Gorgeous. Pristine gravel road right here. A little bumpy from auto traffic. Causing those little ripples in the treads. I just capped the top of Crocker Mountain Fire Road. There's some nice outcroppings. I was up there yesterday. I went on the fire road that goes on the backside of that ridge. That was a steep climb. And there's behind me. That's the top right there. I don't know. I think this last one was probably around 500 or more feet, maybe 800. All dirt. Now I'm going downhill back to the campsite. Last 3 miles here. All right, so the ride's finished. It was about 53 miles with 5,000 feet of climbing. And here is beautiful Lake Davis. The dam is over there. People fishing and kayaking. I went for a swim after the ride. It was awesome. Cool right down. And the campsite here, Grasshopper Flat Campground. Pretty low key right now. It's a Tuesday, so I got here on Monday. Staying a few nights. It's really chill. And it's only an hour north of Truckee, so not too far from Lake Tahoe. And none of the crowds. I saw 2 other cyclists out today. I think 10 cars total. What else? It was just great. Really relaxing. So anyways, highly recommend it. There's Mama Eagle, bald eagle right there, top of the tree. So there's a bald eagle right up there in that nest, perched out on top of the tree limb by itself, and it's got 3 babies. You can see them. There's one. They're kind of black with white beaks. There's 2. And I don't know where 3 is. Learning how to fly.